Hey guys, Aaron here from Airwolf Paws. Yeah, um, yep, this is, I'm gonna restart this unboxing series, and this is actually season 2, so yeah. I, keep on forgetting to make unboxing videos, but I have a few of them, already built. Got a little rubber band turtle from a Kinder. Yeah, this is episode 1. Here's the top. Ostrich from Kinder Joy. A buildable T-Rex. A little pin clip. Little bouncy monster truck. And also, a little challenge game. So yeah, that's it guys. Oh yeah, let me show you. Here's the launch pad and character. You see I have to put a sticker on the back. So yeah, that's it guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course join Husky Wolf Pack. Bye guys.